Let's unbox my latest Amazon order from G4 Free Sports. Their activewear is literally the softest, most comfortable activewear I've ever put on my body. I'm not kidding. This cross leggings. Then I got this long sleeve to wear while I'm doing yoga. They do have pockets in the front on both sides. They come down about there. It's extremely lightweight. I love this. It will be linked to my Amazon storefront in my bio. I got this little backpack. Look at how cute it is. Lastly is this little side bag, which I'm actually really excited about. This is the bag. It has an opening on each side here. Comes with a shoulder strap. The inside has all these like little compartments. Voila. Here we go. Bye.